Hi, I'm Loz,
And I'm Kaz.
and welcome to ServerDown.co.uk.
In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to connect through SSH from a Windows desktop to a Linux server. First of all, we need to open a web browser. I'm using Firefox for this example. Now I'm typing in the search engine. In my choice, that's Google. I'm searching for phrase PuTTY. I click on the first link, and now I go to the downloads page. There's many files to choose from. However, what I'm looking for is called PuTTY, the 32-bit version of PuTTY, which I highlighted for you. And I save that file to my computer. Now I'm going to downloads directory, and I double click on the PuTTY client. So that's how the PuTTY looks like, and now we'll discuss what all the fields are used for.
Okay, so now we have downloaded PuTTY. We can put in the host name or IP address. This will be provided by your server provider or your hosting provider. In this case, we're going to use a host name, ssh.serverdown.co.uk. We're going to stick with port 22. That will be the default port for connecting via SSH. Zoom in a little bit here. And you can save the session here. And we're always going to be connecting by SSH. So let's give the session a name. We're going to call it SSH session. And save it. That way, if we ever want to load it again, we can click here and press load. Okay, so let's click open. Okay, so the first time we connect, it'll give you a warning. We can just agree to that. Okay, so we're logging in. Now again, this will be provided by your hosting provider. If you've got your own server, this will often start out as root. Then we need to put the password. Now the password won't appear, not even in stars, as you type it in PuTTY. But now we're logged in. So thanks for watching, and please check out one of our other videos.